In today's video, I'll show you the best possible Lenovo monitor settings specifically for gaming. First things first, head over to your Windows desktop, and from here you want to right click on it, click on the display settings, scroll all the way down, and then you want to make sure that you're using something like 1080p, 1440p, and if you can use 4K, but it's not really recommended. If you are playing most of the time story-driven games, you want to select 4K, but if you're playing competitive like Overwatch, CSGO, Marvel Rivals, or more, you can then choose 1440p or 1080p. Click the advanced display settings, and from here you then want to select your monitor if you're using multiple, and then you want to choose the highest refresh rate. Basically, this is the numbers shown per second. So as of right now, it's showing me 165 pictures per second or 165 frames per second. From there, I have the best settings listed on the OSD itself, which is going to be the on-screen settings. You want to navigate through your monitor controls and apply this specific settings. For picture, you want to set it to gaming or FPS. The brightness, you want to set it to 70 or 85. Now this can depend on your room lighting, but most of the time you want to avoid high brightness to avoid eye strains. For contrast, apply 70 to 75, sharpness at 50, and for the performance, you want to apply the normal to avoid ghosting. The adaptive sync is going to be turned on, and the low input lag is going to be turned on. For color, set it to normal or 6500K. Gamma 2.2 dynamic contrast is off, and for extras, you want to enable the black equalizer or shadow boost to 5 or 10 on FPS games only. This will simply boost black areas, allowing us to show enemies or see enemies in dark areas of our game. You also want to disable HDR mode unless HDR gaming. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.